Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ACH transfers with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify ACH transfers with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Go to the official Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option labeled Transactions or Details. Click on it to view your recent activity. To specifically check ACH transfers, filter your transactions by type. Select ACH from the drop-down menu, if available. Review the list of ACH transfers displayed on your screen. Take note of the transaction dates and amounts. If you wish to see more details, click on the specific transaction. This will show you additional information, such as the sender's name and memo. For further verification, compare this information with your records. If you see any discrepancies, consider reaching out to customer service. You can contact them via the app, phone, or online chat. Remember to ask about the transaction date, amount, and status. If needed, you can also check your email for notifications regarding the transfer. Keep in mind that ACH transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. For international transfers, check the transfer's processing time as it may vary. Having all this information will help you verify your ACH transactions effectively. Make sure to log out after completing your session for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step